Hello, this is Kelly from Pursuit, and today we're just playing around. So I have this, I'm just playing around on my desk. I have these, which a lot of you may have, these Daubers, and they're quite wonderful. They feel really good in the hand, but these pads, especially the brown ones, I go through these all the time. And they're not that cheap actually. So I am trying to see, okay, which end? I think this is the end that, oh yeah, that is the end. Okay, so good. I've got this piece of Velcro. I've got my little Velcro bin here. So, and then I got these sponges at the Dollar Tree. So I'm just gonna kind of, I don't know, cut this. And look how thick they are compared to this. That's a big difference. So we're just gonna experiment today and see how this works. I know I'm constantly like playing with these things, like trying to figure out how to hack these, because they're just one of those things that I just don't like to buy on a regular basis. I'm gonna try to make this less blunt edges, more rounded. So I have to be like a sculptor, which I'm not. I mean, in my dreams I am, but not really. You know what I'm saying. All right, so I'm trimming this just to make it a little rounder. I got all these, those are very static. A little static going on. Okay, so that's probably as good as that's gonna get. And oh my gosh, oh, almost sticked. It's close, but not quite. Okay, so this is the end, and then this goes here. What kind of glue am I going to use? I'm going to use some of that really good stuff. I'm going to use the E6000 because, well, sometimes I need my pliers to open this cap. And that's what's happening today. Okay. That's how that's going to work. Ugh. Is it coming out yet? I need to roll the bottom. Roll it up. Okay. Where's my thing? Just any minute now it's gonna come out. Yeah, it comes out pretty slow. You're supposed to let the E6000 be exposed to the air for like 2 minutes before you actually put the two items together. There we go. We put oh no, it's oozing. It's oozing. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. Since I've already got it, I'm just gonna, I'll trim those later, right? I'll stop oozing. It's still oozing. So this is gonna have to be, grab your cap. Here we go. Okay, we're putting her on. Stay. Okay. Got that handled. Now I can do this. Am I gonna wait 2 minutes? No. Oh, that dried already. That is not sticking on there for nothing. Okay, I don't know why that would dry. Oh. I never wait 2 minutes. I'm supposed to. I give it a little air. There we go. So I'm not going to mess around with this too much. I am going to test it with a little ink. I'm going to be gentle. Okay, I'm going to pull out this vintage photo. This one, I think, needs a little juice. I have this ink refresher bottle that I bought on Amazon. I'll try to remember to put the link in the description. It's totally worth it. I mean, especially if you just accidentally leave it open. I would never do that, but see, that soaked in a lot. I don't think these work quite right on oxides. Oh, I could use something to soak that up. Oh, how about a sponge? Yeah, see, this is, I need to like rubber band this together. Hold on. Okay, I need a thicker band, something that I can stick across here. Aha, that idea. The thin one wouldn't have worked, but this wide one works great. Okay, so we're just gonna leave it like that and let it dry. Yes. Oh, actually we could use it like this. Hold on. Haha. Okay, soak that up. Squish it around. Now I don't have to worry about it. All right, I got some new, I know my desk is a little ridiculous right now. Ooh. I have some guest checks. Let's ink those up. Ooh, I think this is gonna work. I think you should do this. And I noticed these, like, this is like the same stuff. You know what I mean? It's not like a sponge. It's like that, I don't know. It's a sponge, but it's not. It's the same exact stuff that you use on your daubers. It's same. It's same. Okay, let's look at that. We'll do like a compare. Okay, not you. Here's a duplicate. I like these guest checks. These are new ones I got. I found this like discount store for, they buy like returned items from Amazon. Some of the stuff wasn't that great, but they did have a craft section. And I got the guest checks. See? That's good stuff. I'm even going to come in for a close-up. Yes, very good. Okay, so this is how I have it on there, the rubber band. And now it is Velcroed, so when it wears off, I just put another Velcro on. So I do happen to find a lot of Velcro at the thrift store. And these I found at the thrift store, but I'd imagine the Dollar Tree maybe have them. Maybe. Oh, I got some E6000 on my finger. So anyway, this is just a little idea. I know since I'm here, I did try this, like, it's a real sponge from the ocean kind of a situation. I've had them forever. And they're just a little bit harder. You know, they're just, it's not terrible. I found that I should use the ink refresher on that instead of water. I spritzed water on it just to make it a little softer. But maybe the ink refresher. I mean, it's not like I'm going to run out. There's a bit in there. And make it a little juicier and softer. All right, let's try this one. But not on that paper. I can junk up the paper below this. This was also at that Amazon store. This paper. Oh, look at that. That's like beading. Oh wow, that's just like a line. Haha. So yeah, it's definitely just a play day for me putzing around with stuff. And maybe I'll make something. This is me experimenting with these sponges. I think this is gonna work. Well, as always, thanks for coming along, and I'll talk to you later. Okay, I see the problem. How many times am I gonna do that in my life? A lot. So